Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 150 divided 3 by 5 times 5. It looks simple, right? But still many people fail to solve it. Why? Because they cancel out the 5 with 5 and then simply divide 150 by 3, which is equals to 50. Which is the incorrect answer. Because they did not follow the right approach. When you have given multiple operation, that is in this question division and then multiplication, then you have to follow a particular order which is known as order of operation and other name is PEMDAS rule. So what you call in your country, comment down below. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D is multiplication division. Both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So in this question, we have given division and multiplication. So first we have to solve it from left to right. So here this part 150 divided 3 by 5. I am going to apply KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. So that means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. Now write the left out terms, that is now cancel out 3 with 50. 150 gives 50. 50 times 5 times 5 which is equals to 250 times 5, that is 1250. So the correct answer is 1250, not 50. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.